Hi, Chess Kid teachers and coaches. Now that you have a fast chess tournament set up for your club, you'll need to let your students know how they can join and play in the event. Any kid member of your club will see your tournament from the left side of their home page under the Upcoming Tournaments link. This link appears whenever there's an event they can join, but you'll probably want to send them a club message or email as well. They can also get to the tournament directly from the Fast Chess Play vs. Kid page. When there's an event taking place, a Tournaments tab will appear on the right-hand side. If they click the event name, they'll be taken into the tournament lobby where they can join. Kids only have the ability to join a tournament in the 15 minutes prior to the event's start time. They should click the orange Join button at the bottom of the screen to register. Once they've joined, we don't recommend that they navigate away from the screen or have multiple tabs open. One thing to note, fast tournaments must be played on a browser. Kids won't be able to join the tournament from the app. And when the tournament time starts, kids will be automatically paired for each round and the games will begin, so they should be ready. Kids can see the tournament results from the Clubs page. Click Clubs from the main left menu, then click into the club that hosted the event. Select Tournaments from the right-hand side of the screen. At the top of the page, you'll want to make sure it's on Fast Chess, and then choose the Finished tab. Here, you can select the event that you played and see the winners, the pairings, the games, and the results. We hope your students have a really fun time playing their clubmates in Fast Chess. See you on Chess Kid!